Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today we are going to solve another combination problem. And some of you may ask why so much math in genetics, and I would tell you because, for example, animal and plant breeding and selection is about 70% is math and only 30% is genetics. So you just have to know it, especially such methods which we can find in statistics. First, I want to talk about notation, because notation just add some confusion. For example, these numbers in parentheses we can show in different ways. For example, we can show as C 30 and 6. We also can show it as 30 C 6. We also can show as 30 C 6 and also as C 30 and 6, and all these are going to be the same. C means that we are looking for combinations, and when we see P, that means permutations. Permutations when order does matter, and C or combinations means that order doesn't matter. The easiest way to solve such type of problems, if numbers are small, would be just to use Pascal's triangle. But because today we have first number 30, that means we would need Pascal's triangle with 30 rows. And I probably wouldn't be able to find such large Pascal's triangle online. So we are just going to use formula in order to solve this problem. And this formula is called n choose k. In other words, for you easier to memorize would be, imagine that we have a group of 30 people and they are choosing 6 of them, and now we have to find how many different combinations we may have, how 30 people may choose 6 people out of this group of people. And here is a formula: n factorial divided by k factorial n minus k factorial. Very easy formula. So let me put it in a box. This is all you need to know in order to solve this problem. And for n stand 30 and for k stand 6. So we put 30 factorial on top, and on the bottom we are going to have 6 factorial, 30 minus 6 factorial. So this is going to equal to 30 factorial divided by 6 factorial and 24 factorial. And this would equal to 30 times 29 times 28 times 27 times 26 and times 25 and times 24 factorial divided by 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 and times 1 and times 24 factorial. Now let's cross out the same numbers. We have 24 factorial here and 24 factorial here. And we can cross out the 6 here, and 30 divided by 6 is going to be 5. Let's put 5 here. Let's get rid of this 5. And instead of 25 here, we are going to have 5 instead. And let's get rid of this 4. And for example, instead of this 28, we are going to have 7. Let's get rid of this 3, and instead of 27 we are going to have 9, and we get rid of 2, and instead of 26 we will have 13, and we can just cross out 1 because anything divided by 1 is going to be the same number. So now we just have to multiply all these numbers and we are going to get an answer, which is 593,775. And as you see, this is answer B. If some of you confused what is a factorial, it's just we have to multiply. For example, we have 6 factorial here. We just have to multiply this number in descending order So all natural numbers in descending orders. That's very easy. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. And see you in the next video. Goodbye.